Victor Ngaruya, NTV.
We shall definitely keep our eyes on this matter. Now, the court has suspended the enforcement of key sections of the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Act, freezing provisions under Section 27, which critics warn could be used by the government to stifle digital democracy and online expression. Meanwhile, amid the uproar, a petitioner, Francis Awino, the leader of Gen Z movement Vibes Tribe, has filed a separate case at the Milimani Law Courts. The former Bunge la Mwananchi president is seeking to have the law nullified in its entirety. NTV's Laban Shaban reports.
Milimani High Court has issued a conservatory order suspending the enforcement of parts of Section 27 of the Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Amendment Act of 2025, which President William Ruto signed into law last week. The order follows a petition filed by activist Ruben Kigame and the Kenya Human Rights Commission, who argue that sections of the new digital law violate fundamental rights. The amendment, which updates the 2018 law, introduces broader definitions and stricter measures against online offenses. The suspended provisions of the CMCA include Section 27, subsection 1B, which criminalizes online content likely to cause someone to commit suicide. It is being criticized for being too broad and potentially limiting free speech. Section 27, subsection 1C, which targets promotion of terrorism, religious extremism, or cultism. Petitioners argue it duplicates existing laws and could be abused to silence dissent. Section 27, subsection 2, sets penalties of up to 20 million shillings or 10 years in jail. The case will be mentioned on November 5th, 2025. Meanwhile, a group of Gen Z youth under the banner Vibes Tribe Kenya has filed a separate petition at the Milimani Law Courts. The youth are seeking to have the cybercrimes law struck out in its entirety.
We are trying to warn the president. Seti hatuna energy ya kwenda kwa barabara, but this time around tumeamua kutumia diplomacy ndio tukuonyesha malilio yetu. But ukitusukuma itabidi tumejaza Nairobi na kitu itazaliwa izaliwe.
The National Computer and Cybercrimes Coordination Committee, empowered under the amended CMCA to direct the removal of online content deemed unlawful and to recommend punitive action against users, is now under sharp criticism.
I don't see the job of those people. They are just there to eat taxpayers' money. Unless watuambie hawataki DCI wafanye kazi ama hawataki National Police Service wafanye kazi.
The court is yet to give directions on the petition filed by Francis Awino on Wednesday. This comes as seasoned litigant and Busia Senator Okia Omtata, appearing on Fixing the Nation on NTV, scoffed at what he described as ambiguities in the clauses.
The scientific facts I see in this act is that it is dangerous because it is very vague. It can be taken either way.
Right.
So it is need for law to be clear, and it is so that when people who are bound by it can understand it easily. Number two, it also brings in concepts like, which I have not seen anybody discuss. It brings in a concept like inappropriate sexual content of a minor.
Yeah.
Is there appropriate sexual content of a minor?
Laban Shaban, NTV.
Now, it's every parent's night.